How to post multiple pictures on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can post multiple pictures on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to post multiple pictures on Instagram, all you have to do is simply open up the Instagram application and you will see this type of interface. Now just tap on the plus bar from the bottom of the screen here and then just tap on select multiple. So when you tap on select multiple, you can select multiple images depending upon which ones that you would like to upload. Then just tap on the next option. You can also add a music to these multiple ones and tap on next, and once done you will be able to simply add a location, tag people, audience or music and tap on the save button to save the changes. This way you can post multiple pictures on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.